So you have many girlfriend there?
No.
Hello mga lode! For today's video mga lode, maghimo ta og joke ang conversation sa atong pasahero. Pero dili lang nato sila ipakita para dili ta makasuhan, okay? Let's go! Good morning. You married here, sir? You married? You have a wife here in Cagayan?
I have what?
Wife.
Wife?
Yeah. You're single.
Yeah.
Ah. Maybe you have a business there in SM?
Business?
No, you just vacation here. Vacation?
No, I work here.
Ah, you work? Mm. You have a company there in SM?
No.
Ah, not there?
Yeah, not there.
Mm. How long you stay here in Cagayan?
Almost 1 year.
Ah. So you have many girlfriend there?
No.
No girlfriend?
Not your friend.
Why? You are handsome, huh? Then no girlfriend?
No.
You don't like girl?
Too busy. Too busy.
Ah, to be I don't like her. So you buy something there in this evening, go back to your house. Ah, okay. I thought you were there. Mm. Very hot today, no? Very hot.
Yeah.
Then in the afternoon is rain.
Yes.
They are
Very,
very,
very hot.
yeah. But no problem because your room have aircon, right?
Yeah.
So that you still handsome. If I face like you, maybe I have a lot of girlfriend.
No. Just me. No. Even one.
Ah,
No.
you're a good boy, huh? Because you're so busy. Maybe in your country you have a girlfriend, no?
Yeah, I have.
Many?
No, only one.
Only one.
We will get married.
Ah, we will get married. That's good, no?
I'm loyal.
You're loyal. No, that's good, man. Me also, I have only one wife, but I have too many girlfriends. I'm just kidding. Mm, Yes. What month? You're married?
Get married
Yeah.
next year.
Next year, you married? Next year? Very nice, no? So after that, you bring your girlfriend here.
She will come here.
Ah, she will come here. What now? She's studying or she working there in your country?
Yeah, he have work
Ah,
in China.
good. Okay, so there we are. Thank you very much. Have a good day, sir. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, mga lodi.